Hey guys, so today I'll be doing a easy wash and go hairstyle tutorial for you guys. If you're interested, stay tuned. Shampooed my hair, I deep conditioned my hair with the Main Choice. So if you don't know about the Main Choice, go ahead and check out my Main Choice unboxing video, and I explain everything about the Main Choice. Okay, so in that video I introduced this product. It is the Cheers leave-in conditioner. So I wanted to update you guys and let you guys know that this product is amazing. It smells amazing and it's super thick, so it works really well in my hair. So for this wash and go, I want to use another great product from the Main Choice. It is the Main Choice Killer Curls and Brutal Bounce Look Both Ways Hair and Edge Gel. Okay, so with this gel, it's divided in two sections. One section, this section is for your hair, and this section is for your it's for your edges. But I also use it for my hair, and I ran out of the section where you use for your for like your hair and not your edges. So I'm going to be using that side for the wash and go. I'm gonna put some gloves on first. I don't always use gloves, but I just don't like when the products get underneath my nail. So I'm just gonna put some gloves on. Get some oil, get this oil, put it on my edges. Can't forget your edges. Some oil. I love this gel so much. If you guys know me, I love the Main Choice so much. So guys, if you enjoyed this look, make sure that you like and comment if you've tried these products before. If you also do wash and goes, let me know in the comments below. And if you're new here and you haven't seen my face, please subscribe. Guys, thank you for the support you guys give to me. I really, really, really appreciate it. Until next time, bye. Dig it.